Hola, hola mi gente, this is KQ3Q. I'm at US 0007, that is Biscayne National Park. Today is July 16th, 2024. It is about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels hotter than what it is. However, I have a new umbrella, humongous, awesome umbrella, better than the beach umbrella that I had before. So I want to give thanks to Shantell, AA4SB, and Ed, W4EMB, for sending me this umbrella. It's the best gift someone will really get for POTA activations in a really hot summer day. I'm still sweating because the humidity level is really high and it's hot, but at least I don't have direct sunlight hitting me. And that way it protects my equipment as well, so I can activate my park, make these videos, and hopefully I'll be able to activate pretty quick anyway. I want to thank my coffee buddies for your support. It will help me create more videos like this and hopefully be able to activate Biscayne National Park on the other side, which you have to travel by boat anyway to get there. They have a fantastic lighthouse, and it would be such a great location to activate. Anyway, I'll be using my MFJ 9200. MFJ 9200 is a QRP radio, 5 watts, and I'm going to start activating, or attempt to activate, on 15 meters. 15 meters. Right now, I don't hear anybody on this frequency, but I will still call QRL ? That indicates if the frequency is in use. Sometimes you will not be able to hear the person, but they may be there. Hopefully that's not my case, or vice versa. They might not even hear me, especially I'm doing QRP. So hopefully the frequency is not in use. And I already tuned my radio. I'm using the ZM2 tuner, and I'm just going to, I'm going to call QRL. I'm on 20. I'm going to have to write it down because it's happened that I forget to write it down, and I have to replay the video myself to see what frequency I was actually working, people. So let's call QRL ? I'm going to slow down the speed. Okay. All right, let's do this. I already scheduled my activation prior coming to the park, so I'm hoping the RBN will pick my signal and the POTA app will update my location. All right, let's call CQ POTA DE KQ3Q. Let's do this. Okay, I believe that was Alpha Charlie 7P Papa from Texas. I always like to recheck when I'm reviewing the video. But thank you for the contact. You are my first contact for the day. All right. Arizona. I believe I got Arizona. So this is great. All right, let's keep doing this. CQ, POTA, DE, KQ, 3Q. I like when people send their call sign twice, so it helps me reconfirm if I copied it correctly or not. And even I can actually need a third time, fourth time, but it doesn't matter. If you don't get it, send question mark and they will send it again. Be patient. People out there are very patient and they really want to get you. So don't worry about sending question mark. People will work with you and don't be shy to activate. So let's call CQ POTA again. Like this one, I need to ask question mark.
I'm not bothering you, are we?
No. All right, well, that was Maryland MD, I'm hoping. WZ3J, thank you for your contact. There was some kids, call them kids for sure. They were curious about, I guess, what I'm doing. Anyway. That's terrible. So far, I only have three contacts, and it's 5:09 UTC time. I started exactly at 4:50. Well, my first contact was made at 4:59 UTC time. So I still need quite a few more before I can successfully activate Biscayne National Park. So let's continue calling CQ POTA. I'm at 21054. That's my frequency. So let's continue. That was North Carolina. I'm so sorry. It's me and my paddles. It's not the paddle, it's me. But anyway, that makes my fourth contact. So let's keep this going. All right, K9FAA. I think you heard me as 329 from Indiana. I believe IN, Indiana. I need to practice on my state codes, so I apologize. That needs to be another drill that I need to practice. So let me continue calling CQ. I have 5 contacts. I need 10 contacts to officially say I activated US 007. So let's keep calling CQ POTA DEKQ3Q. Well, I just had to change batteries to my audio because it doesn't last that long. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to record my activation and people can use this as, like a copy practice. There are many other videos that you can actually find, especially, CW and really great videos where you can use them as copy practice. I should link them in the description of this video where you can actually, enjoy. You don't even have to watch the video, you just listen to the video. So it's one of those things that when you want to copy, you don't have to really watch the video, just listen to it while you drive or anyway. Let's continue calling CQ POTA now that I was able to change the batteries, and hopefully it won't die on me. And that's one of the issues that I'm having with audio. Anyway, I have 5 contacts. I need a little bit more, and I can officially say that I activated the spark. AB9CA, Indiana, thank you for your contact. Okay. All right, again, CQ POTA, DEKQ3Q, and after they send their call sign, then you give your report. If you want, you can give your state and then back to them, and then they will give you their report or state back to them, and then you say goodbye. Pretty much, it's a simple exchange. Very short, very simple, and it is a great way for you to practice, to get in the air. And that's the important thing. It's not just copying, but you need to get on the air. So I encourage you to get on the air. And answer an activator, just chase activators or just call CQ. You're brave enough, you gotta be brave enough. Just call a random CQ and start just, hey, you don't have to get involved in a rack shoe. Just send CQ and just change, just do a simple exchange. You control the QSO. So 599, whatever RST, and then goodbye, thank you. So you don't have to continue engaging through the whole QSO until you feel comfortable, but go ahead and do it. Don't be shy. All right, let's call CQ POTA DEKQ3Q again. I may have to switch bands, but I'm not sure. I want to do that right now. I'm gonna give it a chance and see if I can get someone else before I change bands. Military jets are flying over. Well, let's see. 20 meters, 40, 17. I got for 30 and I got 80, but my antenna doesn't do 80. Where's 20? Let's try 20. Famous 20. I have to switch the module and then I'll be able to work on 20 meters. So let me turn off the radio, unplug. I don't want to get zapped or, or something. Anyway, let me just try this here really quick. All right, I have to tune the radio. Okay, I have to write down the frequency. Since I switch, I have to call again QRL. I will attempt call QRL on, not attempt, I will call QRL question mark 14060.5. If I don't hear anybody, then I start calling CQ POTA. All right, let's do this. QRL question mark. I'm just checking to see if anybody is using the frequency. I really don't hear anybody. I'm hoping there's someone out there that is not using the frequency. I really cannot hear them. then people get upset. This person is rude, blah, blah, blah. But I call QRL, and people need to understand sometimes you don't hear them, you know. So, and vice versa. They don't hear me and they start calling on my frequency. Nobody really owns the frequency, but as a courtesy, if you hear someone in that specific frequency, then you just move. Oh my goodness, terrible. All right, let's call CQ POTA DE KQ3Q. I'm at 14060.5. I had to change bands because I haven't been able to get anybody on 15 meters. I got 6 people. Well, I couldn't get anybody else, so I moved to 20 meters. Awesome. I got my first contact on 20 meters, so I'm close to my number 10. I need 2 more contacts. That was from Texas, Whiskey Alpha 5 Zulu Echo Golf from Texas. Thank you for your contact. I need 2 more to successfully activate Biscayne National Park. I increased the speed a little bit. Let's see if those little fasties. Mike, it's okay, it's my antenna. I thought I heard K3MMZ. Maybe it's just me. Oh, Eric. Thank you. And to EPE. I'm sorry, KQ4DUX. I was trying to slow down, but I couldn't slow down, and that's why I made more mistakes than ever trying to manipulate the radio at the same time. So I need more practice how to simultaneously do it. But anyway, let's see if I can call CQ again, and someone comes back. Ugh, my verbs. Well, I can officially say I activated Biscayne National Park. I got 12 contacts, and I should just wrap it up and just call it a day. I'm gonna try to call CQ. Well, I will call CQ 3 times. Nobody comes back, then I'll shut it down. But I want to thank everyone for tuning in, for watching my videos. I'm hoping that it inspires new CW operators to go ahead and activate and operate in CW. Don't be shy on calling CQ. You know your character. It's time to get on the air. You don't have to be perfect at copying. That's one of the things that I hear lately. No, I can't copy, I can send, but I can't copy. When I started, the first time when I activated a park, I was not copying 100%, and I'm still not copying 100% the way I really want to. Like really fluent, like really fast, I wish, but you go on your own pace, not because the other person can copy so fast and so efficient, or I don't know. Just don't worry about it. Just go ahead and call CQ, and if you have to ask for repeats, and this is a hobby. This is not a competition. So, all right, let's call CQ a few more times before I wrap it. Uh, you know what? I think it's time to call it a day. I can't stand. Anyway, I got my at least 10 contacts. I actually got 12 contacts. So I was able to activate Biscayne National Park. Again, that's park number US 0007. And I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Hopefully this video can help you in your copying practice. There are many of other videos out there that you can tune in, and everybody has a different fist, a different style. Some of them are faster, some of them are, much slower, medium. And I think it's important for you to watch different videos, if you're searching for, CW videos, to use it as copying, This is great. So there's so many other people doing similar videos, and I think it's great because we'll help each other making the videos with the hopes that other people get inspired and activate. Also, if you have not activated, I encourage you to go ahead and do an activation. Just go ahead and do it. Don't worry if you only get one contact. Okay, it's not a big deal. The important thing is go out there, activate, and have fun. It's important for you to get on the air. That's the only way you're going to progress in CW. I thought I heard someone sending their call sign, even though I was not calling POTA. Let me just call POTA one time. Let's see. Okay, those one, two. I got like two more contacts out of the blue. So thank you, and I'm going to send QRT so I can start packing up and call it a day. Thank you for tuning in, and go ahead and get on the air. My 73s. Okay. All right. Turning it off. If not, if someone comes back, I will be tempted to reply. I will. That's for sure. Guaranteed. So, anyway, thank you. My 73s.